Welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. What is Wireshark? Imagine you could see all the letters and postcards being delivered on your street. You'd be able to observe the sender, the recipient, and even the contents of each message. This would give you a comprehensive view of all the communications happening in your neighborhood. You'd know who was talking to whom and what they were saying. You could see patterns, understand relationships, and even detect if something unusual was happening. This analogy helps us understand the basic function of Wireshark. That's kind of what Wireshark does for internet traffic. Instead of physical letters, it deals with digital packets of data. These packets are the fundamental units of communication over the internet, carrying everything from emails to video streams. Wireshark is a program that lets you see the data that travels over a network. It captures these packets and provides a detailed view of their contents. This can be incredibly useful for network administrators, cybersecurity professionals, and anyone interested in understanding network traffic. Think of it like a powerful microscope for your internet connection. Just as a microscope allows scientists to see the tiny details of cells and microorganisms, Wireshark lets you see the intricate details of network traffic. It captures packets, which are like little envelopes of information, and shows you what's inside them. Each packet contains data that can be analyzed to understand what is happening on the network. This can be really helpful for network troubleshooting, understanding how applications work, and yes, even for hackers trying to listen in on conversations. Network administrators use Wireshark to diagnose network issues, ensuring that data flows smoothly and efficiently. Cybersecurity experts rely on it to detect and analyze malicious activity, helping to protect sensitive information. And developers use it to debug and optimize their applications, ensuring they perform well under various network conditions. Wireshark is also a valuable educational tool. In classrooms and training sessions, it helps students and professionals alike to gain a deeper understanding of network protocols and data transmission. By visualizing the flow of data, learners can grasp complex concepts more easily and see the practical applications of their theoretical knowledge. One of the powerful features of Wireshark is its ability to filter and search through captured data. Users can apply various filters to focus on specific types of traffic, such as HTTP requests, DNS queries, or TCP connections. This makes it easier to pinpoint issues or analyze particular aspects of network behavior. Additionally, Wireshark supports decryption of encrypted traffic, provided you have the necessary keys. This allows for a deeper level of analysis, revealing information that would otherwise be hidden. However, it's important to use this feature responsibly and ethically, respecting privacy and legal boundaries. In summary, Wireshark is a versatile and powerful tool that opens up the world of network traffic to those who use it. Whether you're troubleshooting a network issue, learning about data transmission, or securing your systems, Wireshark provides the insights you need to understand and manage your network effectively. Packets. The language of the internet. When you make a call over the internet, your voice gets broken down into these packets. Each packet is labeled with its destination and sent on its way across the network. These packets don't always travel directly to their destination. They often take different routes and are reassembled at the other end. Wireshark can capture all these packets regardless of their route and show them to you. How hackers use Wireshark. Hackers can use Wireshark to intercept those packets and potentially listen in on your calls. Here's a simplified explanation of how they might do it. First, they need to be on the same network as you. This could be your home Wi-Fi, a public Wi-Fi network, or even a compromised router in between. Next, they use Wireshark to capture all the network traffic. Think of it like casting a wide net to catch all the fish in the sea. Finding the right packets. Of course, not all packets contain voice data. Hackers need to filter through all the captured traffic to find the specific packets that carry your voice conversation. They can do this by looking for specific protocols or patterns in the data. For example, they might look for packets labeled with VoIP protocols like SIP or RTP, which are commonly used for voice calls over the internet. Once they've identified the right packets, they need to reassemble them in the correct order to reconstruct the conversation. Think of it like putting together a jigsaw puzzle where each packet is a piece of the puzzle. Wireshark has tools to help with this process, making it easier for hackers to eavesdrop on your calls. Vulnerable networks where hackers can eavesdrop. Public Wi-Fi networks are particularly vulnerable because they often lack strong security measures. Unsecured home networks, where the Wi-Fi password isn't strong or is shared with others, are also at risk. Even if your call is encrypted, hackers might still be able to infer some information from the captured packets, such as who you're talking to and for how long. Protecting your calls, staying safe in a connected world. So how can you protect yourself from this kind of eavesdropping? One of the most effective ways is to use a VPN. A VPN creates a secure tunnel for your internet traffic, making it much harder for hackers to intercept your data, even on public Wi-Fi. Make sure you're using strong, unique passwords for all your devices and online accounts. Avoid sharing sensitive information over the phone or on public Wi-Fi networks. The importance of cybersecurity in an age of digital communication. As we become increasingly reliant on digital communication, it's more important than ever to be aware of the risks and take steps to protect ourselves. In today's interconnected world, our personal and professional lives are deeply intertwined with digital platforms. From sending emails and making video calls to online banking and social media interactions, our dependence on digital communication is undeniable. However, this convenience comes with its own set of challenges and threats. Cybercriminals are constantly evolving their tactics to exploit vulnerabilities, making it crucial for us to stay informed and vigilant. Cybersecurity is not just about protecting our devices and data, it's about protecting our privacy and our right to communicate securely. Every time we connect to the internet, we expose ourselves to potential risks, such as identity theft, data breaches, and unauthorized access to our personal information. By implementing strong cybersecurity measures, we can safeguard our digital lives and ensure that our private conversations and sensitive data remain confidential. This includes using strong, unique passwords, enabling two-factor authentication, and regularly updating our software to patch any security vulnerabilities. Hacking tools like Wireshark can be used for good or for evil. While these tools are essential for cybersecurity professionals to monitor and protect networks, they can also be exploited by malicious actors to intercept and steal data. It's a double-edged sword that highlights the importance of ethical hacking and the need for skilled professionals who can defend against cyber threats. By understanding how these tools work, we can better protect our systems and prevent cyber attacks. It's up to us to be aware of the potential risks and take steps to mitigate them. Education and awareness are key components of a robust cybersecurity strategy. By staying informed about the latest threats and best practices, we can make smarter decisions about our online behavior. Participating in cybersecurity training sessions, staying updated with cybersecurity news, and following guidelines from trusted sources can significantly reduce our risk of falling victim to cyber attacks. Remember, cybersecurity is a shared responsibility, and each one of us plays a crucial role in creating a safer digital environment. Staying ahead of the game, tips for enhanced security. In today's digital age, protecting your personal and professional information is more critical than ever. Cyber threats are constantly evolving, and it's essential to stay one step ahead to safeguard your data. Keep your software and operating systems up to date. Regular updates are not just about getting the latest features, they are crucial for your security. Software developers frequently release updates to patch vulnerabilities that hackers could exploit. By ensuring your system is always up to date, you minimize the risk of cyber attacks. Updates often include security patches that can fix vulnerabilities hackers could exploit. These patches are designed to close security gaps and protect your system from potential threats. Ignoring these updates can leave your system exposed to cybercriminals who are always on the lookout for unpatched systems. Be cautious about the links you click and the files you download, especially from unknown sources. Phishing attacks are a common method used by cybercriminals to gain access to your personal information. Always verify the source before clicking on any link or downloading any file. If something seems suspicious, it's better to err on the side of caution. Consider using a firewall on your computer and router. A firewall acts as a barrier between your network and the outside world, blocking unauthorized access. It monitors incoming and outgoing traffic and can help prevent malicious attacks. Configuring your firewall settings correctly is an essential step in protecting your network. A firewall acts like a barrier between your network and the outside world, blocking unauthorized access. It is a critical component of your overall security strategy. By filtering traffic and blocking potentially harmful connections, a firewall helps to keep your data safe from cyber threats. By taking these precautions, you can significantly reduce your risk of becoming a victim of cybercrime. Remember, cybersecurity is not just the responsibility of IT professionals, it's something everyone should be aware of. Stay informed, stay vigilant, and take proactive steps to protect your digital life. With the right measures in place, you can enjoy the benefits of technology without compromising your security.